Hi guys, in today's video we'll be changing the color and shape of turtle objects. So first what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do another import. So import, so we're going to have to do a different type of import this time, I forgot. So from turtle, import turtle screen. Notice how those are capitals. Python's a case-sensitive language, so then we'll make a variable called wn, which is short for window, and we'll make wn equals screen. And then what we'll do is make wn.bg color, which stands for background color. We'll make it let's say green. When we click run, the background's green. Alright, so now let's say we want to create a different turtle object. Let's make t equals turtle. Let's make t dot color, say blue. And then we can now let's change the shape of it to t dot shape. So my favorite shape is the turtle shape because that's actually included in the turtle module. So turtle. See, now we have a blue turtle. And just because I don't want it leaving a line there, you just type pinup. Oh, you type t dot pinup. Now we'll make it go somewhere. So t dot go to, say 100 0 again. So see, the blue turtle walks over there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.